breaking the wall of inaccessible period products. Uzair Masood, Falling Walls Lab, FCCU, Lahore.
Hi, my name is Uzair Masood and today I'll be breaking the wall of inaccessible period products. Did you know that an average woman menstruates for 7 years of her life, and at this day and age women are still struggling to manage their periods hygienically? We have figured out our way to Mars, but we're still struggling to end period poverty. In my hometown, Pakistan, 79% of the women do not manage their periods hygienically, and 49% of the young girls do not know of menstruation before they get their first period. 28% of girls in Uganda miss school while they're menstruating. 50% of the girls in Kenya do not have access to menstrual hygiene products. Nearly 1 in 5 American girls have skipped school or left school earlier due to the inaccessibility of period products. And among the millions of women menstruating in India, only 12% have access to period products. Due to period poverty, many of the rights of women are neglected, their right to human dignity. Menstruation-related shame and teasing can leave the victim traumatized for a long period of time, their right to education. As mentioned earlier, women often skip school or work due to menstruation, and studies have shown a decline in their performance. Their right to non-discrimination and gender equality. Menstruation-related shame and stigma can reinforce discriminatory practices in societies. In some places around the globe, menstruating women are considered unclean and restricted from everyday social interaction. The right to an adequate standard of health and well-being. If women do not manage their periods hygienically, this can lead them to various terminal illnesses. Menstruation-related shame can also prevent women from seeking treatment for menstruation-related disorders or pain affecting their health. To break this wall of inaccessible period products, we created Asani. Asani means ease and convenience in Urdu. We created a wall-mounted vending machine that dispenses menstrual hygiene products and educates on menstruation through informative content. Our solution is designed such that it is usable for rural markets where the underlying problem is more common, and also in urban markets. Our solution will provide access to menstrual hygiene products in a safe and private location and will eliminate the human interaction that the women have to go through in an already distressed situation. Our solution is sustainable as we have minimized the operating cost for the machine. Our solution is in line with the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations, which ensure good health and well-being for all. Thank you.